I got a short video here about this wall charger with retractable cable. So I think it could work in a lot of different situations, for example, travel, home, office, whatsoever. This is very convenient. I've been looking for a long time to find the best wall charger with a retractable cable. So that's the design here, really nice, small, comes with this flip plug here. Can open, close it when you don't need it or travel. And then here the USB-C, that's the only retractable cable here. But USB-C, that's the one which we need the most. And so this is the full length, I would say. There's no marker or so. Let's see if we can retract it after we have been pulling it out fully. That's a very important test. So we pull it out a little bit more and then let it go. You can see I hold it here back a little bit. I could let it go, but usually that's not such a good idea. But you can see it works usually really good. We can secure it also in shorter lengths. It's maybe not as easy. Maybe it doesn't work in every length, but there are a couple of shorter lengths where you could secure it. Yeah, definitely really nice. And then we have also the USB-A. By the way, supports worldwide voltage from 100 to 240 volts. And according to this specification here, we have 20 watts here, 15 watts here, 35 watts in total, but we'll test that. So we plug it in here. And so let's see if we can use that. You can see that's pretty nice. So it has really nice hold. So we don't have to hold this back with one hand. I'm just holding here the outlet. And so if you have it in a wall outlet, you can use it just like that. And so let's quickly test here compatibility and maximum charging speed. And so we don't get any voltage, we don't get any power. And so we have confirmation that this is a PD charger. So we have to activate the PD trigger, and so we have 5 volts here. So let's see if we get some compatibility. Yeah, we can even extend it while we are using it. Compatibility test still running. Now finished. You can see what we have. Really a lot. Different voltage support for Apple, Samsung, Huawei, whatsoever. PD 3.0 up to 35 watts. So let's see if we really can use that. With some chargers it's difficult to use, but here you can change the voltage pretty easy. Shows stable 20 volts maximum. So let's do a quick ramp up test to see the maximum power. We are at 5 watts, 10 watts, still going up, 15 watts, 20 watts approaching, and has stopped exactly at 20 watts. So even though the protocol was showing 35 watts, it's not 35 watts on USB-C, it's only 20 watts. You can see 20 volts, 1 amp, makes it straight 20 watts. But meets exactly the specifications. And so let's test compatibility on USB-A, but usually of course we don't have a lot here. It doesn't show anything. Maybe we can get better results when we are using an old-fashioned test device. I think 12 volts should be the maximum. Yeah, looks like we have been successful with this device. So let's pull some power here. That's the wattage. So let's start here. 1 amp, 12 volts. And so we have also close to 12 watts. Let's see if we can get 15 watts here. Yeah, even a little bit more. So how far can we go? Yeah, also here the limit is at around 20 watts, but the voltage stays stable at 12 volts. So that's definitely good, or even more than good. A little bit more than expected here on USB-A. So we have definitely good results. The device looks, it's sturdy built. Pull out and retraction function are working reliable, at least at the moment. So till now I have a very good impression. Yeah, looks like we have in-zone gun technology here built in. Haven't been aware of that, so that's pretty good. So we can also use high power for longer time without overheating. That's a really nice extra. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.